Hey everybody, this is Pete Greco with Productive Corporation. I'm going to give you a quick look at how CCleaner can aid your help desk in getting more visibility on your computers. All right, so we're logged in here. We're going to go down to our non-domain joined machines, click on the Go-Go's, and here we start getting visibility into what this machine is all about. We've got a lot of information as far as RAM, operating system, CPU at the top. We've got the info that you typically see on your local task manager on that machine, so we can see how much memory and CPU is getting used. We can sort these headers here, so we can find out what's at the top of the list for CPU usage or memory usage. We can drill into the hardware and start finding out a little bit more about what the components are. Do we feel like this individual needs more RAM? Do they have plenty of RAM? Do they have plenty of disk? Do they have enough graphics? Here we can see that this is a virtual machine. By looking here, we'd be able to find out the IP address if we needed it, the internal IP or the external IP that it's going through. We can add software into this thing. We can push out some of these softwares. We can also push out MSIs from Dropbox. MSI only though, because you're not going to be able to put any parameters on that, but a lot of stuff kind of included in the base functionality. And we can also do Windows updates and a few others. So we're going to go ahead and install this right now. We've got some reboot options, which is quite nice. So we can push this out with or without time-delayed reboot. And that's rolling. Now we can see if we're feeling like maybe just this machine is running low, we can run a clean on demand. Here you can see what group that's in, what my settings are. We're going to go ahead and analyze and then do a clean. And this is running through its course, and it's going to pop up pretty quick here with our results. There we go, 21 seconds to run that analysis. And not much here on this test box, but we can go ahead and clean this off right now by doing run cleaner. And if we feel like we've got a slow boot or startup situation, a lot of times the registry can fix that. And while a registry scan will take a little bit longer than the clean, the fixes are instant. So it's pretty quick to do overall. So we'll run that now and see what we got here. There we go, 110 issues, and it took about 32 seconds for that to run. And like I said, the fix is pretty instant, as seen here. All right, thanks so much for watching my video on CCleaner and the help desk. If you have questions, please check out our website, contact your productive account executive, or help@productivecorp.com. Thanks, and have a great day.